Hi guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. I truly hope you guys are doing fine, and apologies for not uploading a video for a long time. I was really busy with my personal stuff and that's why I couldn't upload a video, but I will try my best to consistently upload a video from now on. And a big thanks to all new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I hope that this channel is helping you guys because everybody is having a hard time these days. I try my best to give away all the free resources that I can give, hoping that it will support you guys to study effectively. So let's move on to today's video. This is the requested next part of unit number 4, plant form and function. In this tutorial, you can find primary growth part of unit number 4. And as usual, the link is in the description down below. You can download the tutorial using the link in the description. And I will try my best to upload the next few parts of unit number 4 within this month. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel. Keep calm and study hard. Bye. Take care.